Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down the top 5 best portable handheld car vacuum cleaner. If you are looking for the most efficient, powerful, and convenient ways to keep your vehicle and home spotless, you have come to the right place. We have analyzed the best options on the market to bring you this comprehensive review on best product. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Pushion Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Pushion Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is engineered to streamline cleaning tasks for both cars and homes. It features a smart chip with a built-in child lock, ensuring safety by preventing accidental activation. Users can select between 2 modes, a normal mode for quiet, light cleaning, and a super mode for deep cleaning hard-to-reach crevices. This vacuum is not just for suction, its multifunctional design allows for blowing as well, making it useful for air pumping and other applications. At its core is a high-speed brushless motor with turbine blades, ensuring powerful suction and long-term durability. Its wireless dual-use design offers the flexibility to clean anywhere, making it a practical and modern solution for maintaining a dust-free environment. Next, at number 4, is the Szuk Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Szuk Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact powerhouse designed for versatility. With a massive 98,000 PA suction capacity, it effortlessly picks up dust, crumbs, and debris from tight spaces that traditional vacuums cannot reach. Its lightweight handheld design makes it easy to maneuver around car seats, dashboards, and corners. Being cordless, it eliminates the annoyance of tangled wires, giving you the freedom to clean anywhere without searching for a power outlet. The mini yet powerful motor handles both fine dust and larger particles with ease. Simple to operate and easy to store, this vacuum combines strength and portability, ensuring that quick maintenance and spot cleaning can be done efficiently and without interruption. Coming in at number 3, we have the Cenrr Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Cenrr Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner brings professional-level cleaning power to a portable form factor. It is equipped with an impressive 99,000 PA motor, delivering exceptional suction capable of removing deep-seated dirt from under seats and between cushions. What makes this unit truly versatile is its set of 9 multifunctional accessories, allowing it to adapt to a wide variety of surfaces and crevices. Powered by 3 2,000 mAh lithium battery cells, it supports extended cleaning sessions, making it suitable for thorough detailing jobs. Despite its heavy-duty performance, it remains lightweight, weighing between 720 grams and 880 grams, ensuring it is easy to handle and store. The upgraded brushless motor technology further enhances its durability and efficiency, making it a reliable tool for any car owner. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Suitu Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Suitu Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed for safety and efficiency. It incorporates a smart chip and child lock to prevent accidental starts, offering peace of mind during storage. The device features 2 cleaning modes, a quiet normal mode for light work and a super mode for intensive suction on stubborn debris. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it combines strong vacuuming capabilities with an air duster feature, effectively handling pet hair and crumbs. Its wireless, portable design allows for unrestricted movement, and its compact size fits comfortably in the hand for reaching tight spaces. With a sleek design that takes up minimal space, the Suitu vacuum offers a convenient and powerful way to maintain a clean environment in your car or home. And finally, our top pick for the Baseus Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a standout 4-in-1 tool that redefines versatility. It functions seamlessly as a vacuum cleaner, inflator, air pump, and wind blower, handling a vast array of tasks from cleaning car interiors to inflating swimming rings. Its 45,000 RPM motor generates 5,000 pascals of suction power, ensuring dirt is removed from the tightest corners. The ergonomic T-shaped body provides a comfortable grip, while the AI dual-core intelligent control chip ensures safe and precise operation. Constructed from heat-resistant materials, it is built to last. With a battery life of up to 20 minutes, it offers a perfect balance of power and portability. Whether you are vacuuming your vehicle or compacting storage bags at home, this multi-purpose device is an essential tool for cleanliness and organization. Make sure to grab this versatile cleaning tool to keep your car looking brand new. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Best Product.